Welcome to a journey of enlightenment and wisdom, where we explore timeless life lessons from one of history's most profound spiritual teachers, Gautama Buddha. Buddha's teachings transcend cultures and generations, offering guidance on how to navigate the complexities of life. He shared insights that resonate deeply within us, illuminating the path toward inner peace, compassion, and understanding. In a world filled with distractions and uncertainties, the lessons of Buddha remind us of the importance of mindfulness, the power of love and compassion, and the necessity of self-reflection. From the Four Noble Truths to the Noble Eightfold Path, Buddha's wisdom encourages us to seek clarity amidst chaos and to cultivate a life of purpose. Join us as we delve into these life lessons, drawing inspiration from Buddha's teachings to enrich our lives and the lives of those around us. Let us awaken our minds and open our hearts to the profound truths that guide us toward a more meaningful existence. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Let's begin. The Noble Eightfold Path is a key teaching of Buddhism, outlining the way to end suffering and achieve enlightenment. It consists of 8 interconnected steps or practices, which can be grouped into 3 main categories: wisdom, ethical conduct, and mental discipline. Here's a brief and easy-to-understand explanation of each step. Wisdom, right understanding, samadhi, what it means, understanding the nature of reality in the Four Noble Truths. In practice, realizing that life involves suffering, understanding the cause of suffering, and knowing that it can be overcome. Right intention, samma sankappa, what it means, having the right mindset and attitudes. In practice, developing thoughts of love, kindness, and non-attachment, and letting go of harmful intentions. Ethical conduct, right speech, samavaka, what it means, speaking truthfully and kindly. In practice, avoiding lies, gossip, and harmful words, and instead using speech to help and uplift others. Right action, sammakamanta, what it means, acting in a way that is ethical and does not cause harm. In practice, avoiding actions like stealing, harming others, and living honestly and peacefully. Right livelihood, samma ajiva, what it means, earning a living in an ethical way. In practice, choosing a job or way of making money that does not harm others or the environment. Mental discipline, right effort, samavayama, what it means, making a continuous effort to improve. In practice, working to develop good qualities like kindness and mindfulness, and trying to get rid of negative qualities like greed and anger. Right mindfulness, samasati, what it means, being aware and present in the moment. In practice, paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and actions without getting lost in them, and being aware of the world around you. Right concentration, samma samadhi, what it means, developing deep focus and mental clarity. In practice, practicing meditation to calm the mind and develop the ability to concentrate deeply on a single object or thought. Summary: the Noble Eightfold Path provides practical guidance on how to live a life that reduces suffering and leads to greater happiness and enlightenment. By cultivating wisdom, practicing ethical behavior, and developing mental discipline, we can transform our lives and find inner peace. The Journey of Ravi, the Noble Eightfold Path. Introduction. In a quiet village surrounded by lush forests and rolling hills, lived a young man named Ravi. Ravi, though content with his simple life, often felt a deep sense of unrest and dissatisfaction. He sought a deeper purpose and a way to understand the suffering he witnessed around him. One day, he heard of a wise monk named Mahendra who lived in a nearby monastery. Ravi decided to visit the monk, hoping to find answers. Right understanding, samadhi. Ravi arrived at the monastery and found Mahendra meditating under a large banyan tree. After bowing respectfully, Ravi shared his feelings of confusion and asked for guidance. Mahendra smiled warmly and said, to begin your journey, you must first understand the nature of life. Life involves suffering, which arises from our desires and attachments. This is the foundation of the Four Noble Truths. Ravi nodded, feeling a flicker of clarity. He realized that understanding the nature of suffering was the first step towards inner peace, right intention, Samasankappa. Now that you understand the nature of suffering, Mahendra continued, you must cultivate the right intentions. These are thoughts of renunciation, goodwill, and harmlessness. Ravi reflected on his own thoughts and realized he often harbored desires and ill will towards others. He resolved to change this and to cultivate intentions of kindness and selflessness. Right speech, Samavaka. Mahendra then spoke about the importance of right speech. Words have the power to heal or to harm. Speak truthfully, avoid gossip, and use words that bring comfort and joy. Ravi thought of the times he had spoken harshly or spread rumors. He vowed to practice speaking kindly and truthfully, and to use his words to uplift others. Right action, Samakamanta. Right action involves living ethically and avoiding actions that cause harm, Mahendra said. Do not steal, do not harm living beings, and act with integrity. Ravi recalled instances where he had acted selfishly, causing harm to others. He decided to change his ways and to engage in actions that promoted peace and harmony. Right livelihood, Sama Jiva. Mahendra explained that right livelihood means earning a living in a way that does not cause harm. Choose a profession that contributes to the well-being of others and the environment. Ravi, who worked as a merchant, realized he sometimes sold goods of questionable quality. He decided to ensure that his business practices were honest and beneficial to his community. Right effort, Samavayama. Right effort involves making a continuous effort to develop good qualities and to overcome negative ones, Mahendra said. This requires diligence and perseverance. Ravi understood that change would not come easily. He committed to making a consistent effort to develop qualities like compassion and mindfulness, and to overcome greed and anger. Right mindfulness, Samasati. Mahendra then spoke of right mindfulness. Be fully present in each moment. Pay attention to your thoughts, feelings, and actions without judgment. Ravi began to practice mindfulness, paying close attention to his daily activities and interactions. He found that this awareness brought a sense of peace and clarity to his mind. Right concentration, Samasamadhi. Finally, Mahendra explained right concentration. Develop the ability to focus your mind through meditation. This leads to deep mental tranquility and insight. Ravi started meditating regularly, focusing on his breath and calming his mind. Over time, he experienced a profound sense of inner peace and clarity, transformation. As Ravi diligently practiced each aspect of the Noble Eightfold Path, he noticed a remarkable transformation within himself. The restlessness and dissatisfaction that once plagued him began to dissolve. He felt a deep sense of peace and contentment, regardless of external circumstances. Ravi's interactions with others improved. As he spoke kindly, acted ethically, and cultivated a livelihood that benefited his community. He found joy in helping others and in living a life of integrity and compassion. Conclusion. One day, as Ravi sat by the river, watching the sun set over the hills, he realized that the journey he had embarked on had transformed his life. The teachings of the Noble Eightfold Path had guided him to a place of inner peace and fulfillment. He understood that the path was a lifelong journey, and he continued to practice with mindfulness and dedication. Ravi became a source of inspiration for others in his village, sharing the wisdom he had learned and helping them find their own paths to peace and enlightenment. And so, Ravi's story became a testament to the transformative power of the Noble Eightfold Path, reminding all who heard it that the journey to inner peace and liberation is always within reach. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the timeless wisdom of Buddha. We've explored profound life lessons that offer us a deeper understanding of suffering, the nature of our desires, and the path to true inner peace and liberation. The Four Noble Truths teach us to recognize and accept the reality of suffering, to understand its origins, and to believe in the possibility of its end. By following the Noble Eightfold Path, we can cultivate a life of mindfulness, compassion, and wisdom, leading us to profound inner transformation and lasting happiness. Remember, these teachings are not just ancient philosophies but practical guides for our everyday lives. Whether it's through right understanding, right action, or right mindfulness, each step we take on this path brings us closer to a state of balance and serenity. As we conclude, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each of you for your time, attention, and openness to these teachings. Your willingness to learn and grow is the first step towards a more enlightened and peaceful existence. Thank you for being a part of this journey. If you found value in these lessons, please share them with others who might benefit. Together, we can spread the light of wisdom and compassion in our world. Until next time, may you walk your path with mindfulness and may your life be filled with peace and joy. Namaste.